Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be going over how to fix Bluetooth speaker not connecting to your Samsung Smart TV. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're trying to connect a Bluetooth speaker to your Samsung Smart TV. How do you actually go ahead and connect it, or how do you actually fix it? Now, I went through this trouble, and the way to actually fix your speaker in order to connect it to your Samsung Smart TV is that you do have to make sure that your Bluetooth speaker is in pairing mode. So a lot of speakers nowadays, especially the newer ones, have a pairing mode, and in order to turn on pairing mode, let me go ahead and turn my Bluetooth speaker. Pairing mode is usually indicated by clicking on the Bluetooth icon on your Bluetooth speaker, and then it's also indicated by a flashing light. So as you can see, there's a blue flashing light appearing on my Bluetooth speaker. Now, in order to actually get this to fix and connect to my Samsung Smart TV, what you need to do next is that as long as your Bluetooth speaker is in pairing mode, which again is indicated by the flashing blue light, you want to go into the settings tab of your Samsung Smart TV, scroll down to where it says sound, then click on sound output, and then click on Bluetooth speaker list. So once you're on this page right here, it's going to search for any Bluetooth speakers that it's searching for. And once you find it, it'll appear over here on the screen. So as you can see, my Bose Flex SoundLink, which is this Bluetooth speaker right over here, is appearing on the screen of my Samsung Smart TV. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and fix Bluetooth speaker not connecting to your Samsung Smart TV. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. But thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.